Hi people, it's been a while since the last video, and today I wanna teach you about the particular gesture of the Neapolitan speech. You know, we use a lot of gesticulation. Um, I think that a big part of this gesticulation is very famous all around the world. Like, for instance, this that means what do you mean, or what the fuck do you want from me? Today I want to teach you four of these particular gestures and translate it in English. The first is this one. This is you lost your mind. In Neapolitan it is stai fora ca capa. The second one is what the duck do you want, like we said before. And this is very important. The third one is please go fuck yourself. That in Neapolitan is vai za me. The fourth and last one is it means you can even imagine, and in Neapolitan is affaccio pazza. So bye and